Hello dear learners, wishing you a happy day. Now I'm going to be telling you some mispronunciations that you probably are mispronouncing. So let's dive into it. The first one, career, career. Both are incorrect. It should be career, career, the right utterance. The second one for you, essential, essential. No, essential, not shell, essential. Efficiency, efficiency. Is it correct? No, you should say efficiency. Now a bit faster, efficiency, efficiency, not efficiency. All right. Okay, so this one is official, not official. Official, the right utterance. And the last one for you, ota. If you prefer British accent, then say ota. Or if you prefer American, then say water, not water. Hope you'll be able to understand all these mispronunciations and figure out all the confusions regarding this. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.